What is up, internet people? So in this video, I'm going to be going over 3 awesome, high-quality pocket knives that you should consider in a survival situation that provide both good self-defense qualities as well as utilitarian qualities, which make them great everyday carry tools. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be awesome. You're going to learn something. Alright, what's up, guys? So, the first everyday carry knife that I personally have carried for actually many years now that I would recommend to anybody who's trying to be a survivor, who's trying to be prepared, or who just needs a good, useful knife is the Spyderco Police. This is the Spyderco Police. This is one of my favorite knives simply for the slimness and the elegance of it. Now, you'll notice the knife is very thin and it's stainless steel. So one thing I would notice a lot about my pocket knives is that the more I would carry them, the more they would tear up my jeans. So I got the Spyderco Police all stainless steel because it's slim and it doesn't tear up your pockets. Actually, I don't even know what's in my jeans most of the time when I have it there. So that is the stainless steel Spyderco Police. I've got a link to where you can buy this in the description below if you want to check this out. That is the first awesome survival/utilitarian knife that I would recommend. Now, I gotta get back to my workout. You can see I'm in the weight room here, so I gotta get back to it, but I will see you in a few seconds with the second awesome knife. Stay tuned. Guys, so this is the Benchmade Bedlam. This comes in both full auto and semi-auto or spring assist, whatever you want to call it, knife. This is one of my favorite knives simply because it's got a wicked design. It's a great big knife. It's good for heavy chopping, for heavy cutting, and for heavy self-defense. This is an awesome, well-built knife. Any of you guys who know knives very well know that Benchmade is just a really good brand. So this is an awesome knife that I carry nearly every day. I've used it quite a bit. It holds an edge awesome. It's a great, wicked-looking knife. I love the design of this knife. I love the strength of this knife, and honestly, I would recommend this knife. If you want to check this out, check the description below, but this is my second recommendation for an awesome everyday carry pocket knife for those who want both a self-defense and a utilitarian weapon. So I gotta get back on my motorcycle and I gotta get on out of here before it gets dark, but I will see you in a few seconds with the third and final recommendation for an awesome utilitarian survivor knife. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so the third and final knife that I'm going to show to you guys as an awesome survival/utilitarian weapon is the ever awesome Emerson Combat Karambit. Now, this knife has a hefty price tag, but it comes with Emerson's awesome lifetime guarantee, awesome quality, and it's gonna hold an awesome edge. Now, one thing I have to say about this particular knife is this is not the most utilitarian knife on the market. This knife is pretty specifically designed for military, police, stuff like that because of the shape of the blade. It is literally based on a design from an ancient Indonesian martial art called Pencaksilat, which based their knife on the tiger's claw. It is meant to rip, tear, and just generally be a nasty piece of work, but it is an awesome knife. I've carried this knife for quite a while, several years myself. I love this knife mostly because of the wave feature it's got right there. It's got an awesome wave feature to allow instant deployment. It's just an awesome knife. It holds a great edge. It actually comes in pretty dang handy for utilitarian stuff as well. You just have to find a little bit more creative way to use it. So this is my third recommendation for the survivalist who wants a good pocket knife that's going to last him, that's going to be good quality. That is the Emerson Combat Karambit. Now, there are 2 versions of this. This is the Emerson Super Karambit. I like this one because of a little bit bigger blade. However, they're both awesome knives. I would recommend both of them. So that is the third knife, and I will get to you in a few seconds with the wrap-up, so stay tuned. Alright, well there you go guys, those are my 3 recommendations for some awesome pocket knives that are great quality, gonna give you great utilitarian and great self-defense components. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, hopefully this was helpful. I gotta get to bed because it is the end of the day, but I will see see you. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications button, and have a freaking awesome day.